I wanted to ask you something. I offer a free clarity call with my potential customers who are just using this call and they just wanted to socialize. I was thinking, oh, interesting. Can you give me
Okay.
an advice?
To avoid that, yes, you already invited that clarity. What you can do rather than
True, true. Thank you, Imran. It's a good idea. I will create a formula and
people will not be specific. You can ask them be detailed.
I just feel like the chains all around me. Just see, I have it in my blouse and all this.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
This is Imran, a Tech Wizard. I'm going to showcase the journey of a relationship coach, how she is taking her business online and what are the struggles she is having and how she is overcoming those. Hope you guys will enjoy the process and have some fun. Also, in the meantime, you'll learn some great techniques how to take your coaching business online. So stay tuned and keep watching.
Hello, Imran. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you? How is everything?
Oh, oh, can be better, can be better. You know, it's like I'm the Lady of Dragons today. I just feel like the chains all around me. Just see, I have it in my blouse and all this. I wanted to ask you something because I have some situations which I don't know if I proceeded correct or not. You know, I offer a free clarity call with my potential customers, and I
Mhm.
had a couple of ladies who were just using this call and they just wanted to socialize. They just wanted to get to know me, to understand what I'm doing. I explained already that I'm a coach, a relationship coach, and they were like curious about me, but not like a potential buyer. So what I did, because I'm a public figure, right? I sent them to my YouTube channel because they wanted to know what is my content, what exercises they can learn for free, of course.
Mhm.
And I didn't know if back then I did the correct thing because sometimes it's difficult to approach this kind of situation. I was a bit shocked, honestly, because they just wanted to socialize. I was thinking, oh, interesting. Can you give me
Okay.
an advice? Yes.
Yeah, of course, not advice. I can give you some suggestion. Advice is a big word. I normally always go for something suggestive and just discussion, and that always help my client. The thing you've been through is not uncommon. It's very common. Many have this situation has been faced by many of my friends, clients, or students. I have two questions. Was it a guy or a lady? You said lady, right? She.
Yes. A lady, a she. Yes.
And good that many when they see a pretty girl, many guys, and they want to have some chit chat to know someone better without adding so much value. So I'll give you some suggestion regarding to avoid that surprise moment, like shocking moment. Oh, I keep my time open for you, and you are coming and saying like you just want to do chit chat with me. To avoid that, yes, you already invited that clarity. What you can do rather than saying it clarity, you can tell discovery call as well, whatever you feel. But as you are already going through clarity, just use clarity. Clarity is not more about you. If somebody is saying to you, you need to finish that stuff only within the messenger or comment. Or you can check my profile, and you can under my bio there is also link to my YouTube. There is link to my Instagram. You can check it. That's fine. And if you have any question, you can always comment. Or you can ask me in my group or in my messenger. That's fine. And you need to make it clear somebody booking a session with you means you are blocking your day for 30 minutes or 25 minutes or whatever minutes you have for clarity call dedicated to that person. So you are selling your time already. You're not accepting any other thing. And that 30 minutes is not just 30 minutes. Before that 30 minutes, like at least 15 minutes prior to that call and 15 minutes after that call, you are totally blocked. So in total, you are just blocking 1 hour of your day. So it's very special. And you need to make it sure you don't waste it. And the other person who is booking that, they don't waste the time of you. How to avoid that?
I have a question. In
Yes.
this specific case, the
Mhm.
lady was specifically asking me for a call. She wanted to speak with me. So I was assuming that you already know a bit about me, but it's a good idea. What you suggested before they book a
Mhm.
call, I can suggest them to go on my profile, on my
Yeah.
YouTube
Yeah.
channel, on my
When
TikTok.
somebody is giving you call, they are hyper. They just saw your post, they either get triggered or they started feeling like you are going to solve everything. Just but you have some specific system, some protocol they need to follow to be in a call with you. You're not just there always. Ah, call me, I'm here to receive your call. No, not that way. Redirect them to a place where they'll book a call with you. You already do that. So that's why they book a thing and then you either you can do on Google Meet or whatever platform. Make sure you put so many questions in the clarity call. There is field of Calendly or whatever platform you're using. You can ask them not just name and email address. You can ask them specific how I can help you. And in the bracket you can write, please be detailed as much as possible. So you know what they're looking for and you have the all authority to cancel that call or something if you see somebody is not feeling that very specific person because those are time wasters. You don't have
One
any time.
question. One
Yes.
question. How many questions can I ask them? Because I already have a Google formula with many more questions. I think there are too many for one person, maybe 7 or 8. What is the appropriate number of questions that you put in the formula before booking a clarity call?
No, I'm not saying you can't ask so many formula in the first because they can either answer what is their problem, what is their current issue, something not more than in total not more than 5 to 6%. It has
Okay,
to be
so I
very,
can ask, for example, let's give an example, very
yeah.
specific, like, okay, why you want to book this call with me, like a curiosity. Then, what is your struggle or your challenges lately?
Mhm.
What are your challenges lately? And the third one would be maybe what would you like to achieve in the future or something like that.
Main thing the way you are structuring those person are really good. If they already booked something and they've been through something, then you want to go some next step. That time you can ask those very selective person. You can very specific. These, but most cases your audience don't have any idea what they're looking for. They can be in gray area. They can be really in vacant within their head. They don't know what they're looking. They can share what they're struggling, basically.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
I'm having a issue. I've been through a breakup. I am very lonely. I am crying every night. I need to feel good. I need to again regain my confidence and I want to jump in the dating field or and to invite new relationship. So you need to ask them like, okay, that question, okay, what is your problem and what you are looking for? And then in the bracket you write, please be as much as please be detailed as much as possible. So then you need to make sure that they fill that. And when somebody book the form, you get a email notification like, okay, and you can immediately check. Some people just put not applicable NA or something like this, they put something blank. So the somebody is putting blank, you can just send them like, you haven't mentioned, they will have your email, you can just reply, hey, you haven't filled the form. Can you please email me back your details? Because you don't need to wait for that time of the call. And then you find like they are not sure what is their problem and whether they're asking some blah 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 and they don't know what they're looking for. Even they don't know that you can really a good fit because as a coach, every client has the all the option to check on you, like whether you're a good fit for them. Same way as a coach, you have all the option to check on your future plan. If you don't like, you can just ignore and cancel the call. There is nothing wrong. You are putting strong boundary. because you have some paying plan. So anybody else is coming and making some interruption, they are not your ideal people.
Yeah, true. But this lady, for this specific case, was a part of some personal development group, so she was already very aware and all this kind of topics. So it was a situation which I didn't
How
have before.
how do you know he was aware of different personal development?
Yeah,
How
true, true. I don't know exactly, but since she was part of certain groups, she was like a
exactly?
bit more
So this is the
familiar
question.
with.
If somebody is a part of a group, doesn't mean he or she knows it. You are assuming. So no
Yeah,
assumption in case of coaching. You only see what is data, what you see, what they provide. Other else is
true, true. Thank you, Imran. It's a good idea. I will create a formula and I will ask them what is their struggle, and they should be very specific and very
yeah,
detailed.
not a
And that is
specific.
the
Don't make
condition.
sure people will not be specific. You can ask them, be detailed. They write more, so you can have, like, make them feel, make them think, make them use their brain, and they come on. Be specific, they'll be confused. Like, what is a specific? Don't make them confused. Ask them open. Okay, be detailed as well. And then they'll
Okay.
share lots of their issue, problem. People like to speak, and you are giving them the platform. Okay, say whatever you are going through. Feel free. That is encouraging. And when you are asking them specific, you are like a judge. You are like a teacher. You are asking them, okay, if you are not specific, you are cancer. Huh?
Okay, okay. I
Yeah,
will just say, okay, please be detailed as possible.
yeah,
Okay.
cool. And yeah, that's the thing. You can avoid lots of things. And when they are coming, let's say somebody come, and how you are already know that this thing you can have some real real discussion conversation like 5 to 10 minutes. Let them speak, and you hear them. You have a different energy when they speak to you. You'll understand them better. You'll have eye contact. You'll really feel like what is that. You can help them if somebody someplace they're getting stuck. You can just release them and they can speak more. You can ask them really nice way, question answering thing like digging deep. You can digging deep and fact find time. So you can understand really that. And then at the same time, what you can offer. Yeah, I understand that's really the point. What you can do, you can just give them some verbally. You can practice self-love, or you can do some daily meditation. That's like very verbal. You're just as a human, you can always tell them, share them. And also, there is a nice course that I especially custom built for people like you. And you may have a quick sneak peek. There's the landing page. You can go through what is included, what is not, what is the ideal avatar for this, or who is most will be most beneficial from this course, and how long everything will be there. You can have a look at that. And if you have any question regarding that, you can ask me, you can message me. It's very easy. You see, when I'm speaking, you're already feeling, oh yes, I could say that way. And it's very easy thing. You're not putting any sort of pressure on them. You're not just asking, buy me. You're just helping. This is, I made something nice. You can have everything there. You can have a look. You don't need to tell, like, I built that. It is good for that. It's for trauma. It's for relationship. It's for breakup. This is for fight, abuse, blah, blah, blah. You don't need to tell anything. You just need to tell nice way, non-technical way. Hey, I have something really custom, tailor made specifically for people like you who have been through that issue have shared with. And here is the link, and you can go and check. After the call, I'll email you a bit details so you can go through and check. And in the meantime, if you have something, you can follow me on Facebook or my YouTube, and also on my free group. There you can ask question and I'll answer you. This is very nice, very simple, without anything. But you already done the 50% sales stuff. Like, okay, you already shared, but you haven't shared any link other. The person will have only your sales business.
Yes, you are right. But is it okay to give them something for free or not?
You are already giving them your 30 minutes. It's already a very big stuff. What else that person wants?
Mhm.
and the person is coming from your social media, so definitely they're checking on your profile and seeking a video. Yeah, and you also need sometimes some people who are conscious. Not just you need to be conscious. Conscious client also very good for you, who knows their shit and who knows what they're looking. And yes, there will be some people who doesn't know. You can help them.
Yes, yes, you are right. I will proceed like this in the future. Thank you for the
This
advice.
kind
It's
of
like this lady was
discussion, it's always like very
interesting,
good
and
for
I
me,
give her
and it's like I
some
get new
meditation,
ideas and new
relaxation
insights, and
meditation, that she
thank
can
you very
understand
much.
a bit what
It's
I'm
calling
doing.
the
And
brainstorming,
yes,
right?
at least
Yes,
If
I'm
I'm
exactly.
blonde
blonde.
next time,
I
so
know
thank
this
you. I will
stuff.
just follow
Mwah,
your
Imran.
instructions. You
Thank
are
you.
always
But
expert
one
and
thing else, and if you have any question, you can message me down or
Yeah,
join my group
true.
for
It's like
the
on the
Soul Journey
cover,
with
you see.
Tech and Marketing
It's
with me,
brunette
and
as
it's
origin.
completely free, and you
Mwah.
can ask any
Don't say it to
question. And
anybody.
thanks,
It's
you know.
our secret.
Thank you.
Yes, you
bye.
already sell me the product. That's the first step. And you can join also my group, but you need to learn Romanian for that. It's called How You Reach Your Objective and Overcome Your Blockages. I think it's
Okay, that's
interesting.
cool. Please share me the group link. I'll add in the description. I'll add my group link also in the description. So yeah, it's good for our follow. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, this kind of discussion, it's always like very good for me, and it's like I get new ideas and new insights, and thank you very much. It's calling the brainstorming, right? Even
Yes,
if I'm
exactly.
blonde, I know this stuff. Mwah, Imran.
Thank you. But one thing else, blonde are not always down.
Yeah, true. It's like on the cover, you see. It's
Okay,
brunette as origin. Mwah. Don't say it to
okay. Thank
anybody. It's
you.
our
Thank you.
secret. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you love to share your experience and share your opinion and how you feel it, please comment below. And if you feel like some of your friends may get benefit from this video, feel free to tag. And yeah, keep in touch and we'll bring so much good content like this. And have an awesome day. Bye.